Yo, brothers, it is Faith Alexis, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. Today we're cooking up some mahi. We're making some corn, some leeks, some potatoes, some tachi. We're gonna figure it out. But today's my first full video on my GoPro, I think. So stay tuned. But let's get to it, actually. So chat, I wasn't in too much of a talkative mood, so here I am with a voiceover. At first, I was just checking the corn. Salt, pepper, all of these, yo. Then I put the corn on a sheet tray, get some oil on there, some salt, and some pepper. Look at me, mixing them bitches around. You see that? All up in there. I'm talking about in it. Thought it was in the oven, 425, for like, I'm gonna say like 20 minutes. These right here are called leeks. They're like a more mild onion. You cut them first and then you wash them. There's a whole bunch of sand in them. They're from the beach. I'm about to freeze and I can throw into stock eventually. Right. I did a nice little julienne on the mugs. Then I cut the Thai chilies and I tried to get them relatively around the same like julienne thickness, but like it was a little hard. Here we got the potatoes. I didn't show me washing my potatoes, but wash y'all potatoes, y'all. And then I just oiled them, salt, pepper, and I threw them in the oven. I think at 425 still for like 25 minutes. Then I'm in here, big body smashing the garlic like my name is the Hulk. Cut the root off, and then I tried to also get these into julienne strips. Please ignore me. I just be having to make sure everything is not expired. But this is for the corn puree. I just put heavy cream, garlic, and leeks in it besides the corn. There's garlic. We got a good amount of leeks. Chat, I'm fucking this corn up. Eat. Alright, we're about to put all this in here. I don't feel like touching fish. I'm about to go grab my gloves. Okay, right. We're doing all the wrong shit. I just put salt, pepper, ginger, and seafood magic on my mahi. Seafood magic. And then you get your pan hot enough, you add your oil once your pan is hot enough, and boom, you put it down skin side first, and you get that nice sear on the fish. Just watch this. Boom, flip. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Again, get your pan hot enough, and I'm just sauteing the leeks on very high heat. That's what sauteing is. And then I add garlic and Thai chilies. I think I'm saying that here, but y'all hearing me right now, okay? Saute it on very high heat. Wait till the garlic's cooked. Once the garlic is cooked, you take it off the heat. See, watch this. How hot that is. This one, that's not what I wanted to do. Just focusing solely on the plate. Y'all are focusing on me. Woo! Okay, right. That was worried about the wrong shit. It's really fucking good. So, I don't have time. So, we're gonna add parsley to this. And like just a tiny bit of salt. It doesn't really, it has a very strong corn flavor, and the corn's already salted. But I want a decent amount on the plate. Is that how I want this? Did I not get that? I gotta redo all this. And then I redid it all, and I lost the fucking clip. It's kind of leaning a little bit. Not fucking with that. Let's get this straight. Yo, brothers, check me out. Fine dining, my. Check me out. Yo, brothers. Do y'all see the skin on that my? There we go. And now I'll do it like, yo, brothers. It is Faith Alexis, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. And today we are making mahi with smashed potatoes, leeks, garlic Thai chili, and cornbread. And if you want to know how this ended up tasting, go check out Faith Alexis on YouTube. Full body description. No. The fuck does that fucking mean? And if you want to know how this tasted, go check out Faith Alexis on YouTube. Full. I only make bangers. Okay. Okay. I rate this. I love my. And the fact that it's not just like falling apart on me. This is most definitely like 6, 7. I just. No, this is good as fuck. I'm actually gonna up that to a 9. Everything just works so well together. This shit's good as fuck. No shit. And I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one.